Good morning, students. We have to calculate the electric field due to two uniformly charged infinite parallel sheets. Suppose we have two uniformly charged infinite parallel sheets. One is of plus sigma, another is of minus sigma. We have to calculate electric field here. Suppose we are taking this as region 1, electric field in the region 1, electric field in the region 2, and electric field in the region 3 we have to calculate. Now question is that how to calculate it. Suppose this is a plus sigma, uniformly charged sheet of plus sigma, and this is minus sigma. So negative charge is there. You know that as it is plus charge is there and it is of there is a infinite sheet, so and plus charge is there, so remember the field electric field should be normal to the sheet, and as plus charge is there it should move outward. It should move outward. So E1, if I take this is of plate 1, due to plate 1 electric field move outward. When I am taking the plate 1 contribution, don't take the plate 2. So E1 should be this side only. When I want to calculate the field contribution due to 2, don't consider the plate 1. Okay, so if we don't consider plate 1, then as it is negatively charged, so field line should be normal and moving towards the plate. Here also moving towards the plate. E2 should be this side, E2 should be this side. Don't consider the plate 1, then E2 should be this side only. So total field this side, you know, electric field due to infinitely long uniformly charged plane sheet, sigma by 2 epsilon 0. So here sigma by 2 epsilon 0 left side, right side. So total field contribution in the region 1 should be sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Two fields are opposite side, so it should be 0. Now in the region 2, everybody able to see E1, E2 same direction. So E should be equals to E1 plus E2. So sigma by 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma by 2 epsilon 0. So it is coming sigma by epsilon 0. Now in the region 3, two fields are equal opposite. So in the region 3, total field should be how much? Total field should be sigma by 2 epsilon 0 as oppositely directed minus sigma by 2 epsilon 0. So total field is 0. So total field is